Welcome to the section of products. In this section we will discuss all about products, like how to add, how to edit products, how to customize your products at the store of Shopify. Also we will discuss display transfers through the Shopify, the inventory contents, inventory products, how to manage collections, how to provide the gift cards to your special customer or special providing by you. That's all about this section. Let's begin with products at the first lecture. So here we see the products. When we come at the dashboard, here we can add your first product. You are just a few steps away from receiving your first orders. Here we see the options. Also we can add product directly from the top bar by click here at the bottom of add products. Also we have the ability to import product by click here at the import by using the file of CSV. If you had a CSV file to import multiple products at once, so this is the best way to import products from any support or any suppliers to provide your store more quickly. That's all. Let's begin with add products. Also when we scroll down, we see the bottom here with the add products that allows us to add product directly. Let's go to see how to add your product to the store. Here we see the title. Here I'm going to add some women as example. The first product, it will be with the name of women clothes. Okay, here we see the full description. I was prepared some notepad with different data as a demo. Okay, here we go. Let's go to copy. I'm going to add this information. Also we have the ability to add some of these. Okay, that's all. Okay, this is the name of this product, new vintage dress. Let's scroll down to see what happens here. Okay, to add the product image, here as you see we add the title. We added the title for this product. Here's the description, full description. We have the ability to add images or videos. Also we have the ability to manipulate all of these documents as paragraph or text. Let's scroll down to continue at the bottom. Here's the images. When we if we want to add images, exactly we want to add the images which represents the products. Let's go to this my desktop. Okay, I put some pictures here. Let's click here. No, it's not here. Okay, get it back. Okay, I think so. Okay, let's start with by using this product. Okay, here we go. Okay, this is the image. Okay, let's scroll down. Pricing. Here's the price with NIS. Unfortunately, this currency it's not an international prices. The international prices represents by US dollar, Canadian dollar, or other or pounds or euro. So this currency represents the local currency for NIS, New Israeli Shekel. So we gotta be choose this settings for pricing, but later on advanced settings. Now let's try to add some prices to be at least 100. Okay, compare price. If you want to add some compare price like this as example, charge taxes on this product or uncharge. That's way. Okay, let's add to compare price at price. Let's continue by scroll down. Here we see the inventory. SKU, stock keeping unit. this number is very important to be identified, or to be something to define your product inside your inventory. So we had this number 0099123. That's all as example. Also, many products have ISP or UPC or GTIN, etc., to help us to improve this product to be allowed with the barcode. So let's go to add some information here as example for barcode. Inventory policy. Don't track inventory, or shopping tracks this product inventory. We have to choose. The quantity is 1 or 1000. Allow customer to purchase this product when it's out of stock. If you want to add these features, then the customer will buy your products which not handled by you at the inventory or your stock. So these features, if it has been checked, maybe it causes some problems for you with customers, as honest, if you don't provide your product with the time. So I encourage you to uncheck these products because of the best user experience, to pay what you have. Don't purchase or don't pay any products it's not handled by you. That's all for this policy, as I mentioned, with encouraged. Let's go to the shipping. The shipping weight for this product, which weight by default the standard shipping weight represents by kilogram. You have to change these settings to be gram or to be OZ or LB. I encourage you to put it as is with the kilogram, which is the standard. Here's the weight. I think it will be I think it will be 1 kilogram, 10. That's all. Here's fulfillment service manual. Okay, it's perfect. This product required shipping exactly because of its physical address. Now I want to remember you that if you sell digital services like catalog or programs or software, any software, you don't need to add weights. Also, you don't need to have any shipping methods or shipping type. That's all. Let's scroll down to continue. Variants. Does this product come in multiple variations like size or color? If you had any variations for this product, you have to add variation. If it's not, you have to leave. So we will discuss more about the variants when we add exactly the products with the variant options, colors, or weights or sizes. That's all. Let's scroll down to continue. Here we see search engine listing preview, new, the title. Also here we see the description. Let's go back to the top to continue or to see the other options. On the right hand here we see the visibility, online store. When we check this option, the product will comes on directly. Let's scroll down to see more. Organization and product type. Here we see I think there is no product type at the moment, but also we have the ability to add some product type like a jacket. Let's go to add some. Sorry, I think it's okay. Okay, jacket add. Okay, jacket. I'm sorry. Okay. Okay. Organization, it's a jacket. Vendor, Alabama store. Okay, it's with Alabama store. Collections here. Let's continue. Okay, sorry. Okay, Alabama store. Let's continue with the collections. If we want to add this product to be under the collections, we have to search the collections to be represents at the home page by click here. Okay, that's okay. It will be found at the home page. Let's go to the tags. At the tags, we have to add different tags like women, as example, comma or enter, then jacket, sorry, also enter, clothes, enter, address, enter. Okay, you have to add multiple or traditional or different tags as you'd like, which are related to your contents as the description or the title for this particular products. Let's go to make some save changes. That's okay. Let's go to the top or to the front end. Then we have to make a refresh to the site to see what happens. Okay, here we go. Okay, here we go. Here you see this product. So this is the first product which we added. Okay, here you see this. This is the feature item sale. This product with the name of a new vintage dress, Alabama store. This is the previous price, and this is the current price after discount. That's all. Also, we will continue to add at least 5 or 10 products at least to provide you the best e-commerce site by using Shopify. So let's continue to add new. Here I'm going again. We may come back to the root directly from the top navigation by click at the product, or by click here at the products on the left hand. So that's all. Now we had the first product with the name of new vintage dress, inventory 1000 item in stock from this product. Also we had the type of this product, jacket, vendor, Alabama store. That's all. So also we will work together to add 10 products. Be patient to continue.